In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link on your Instagram story. So what you want to do is go to your Instagram and go ahead and add a story. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to choose this picture here. And to add a link onto your story, it's very easy to do. Go up to the very top where you see the second option right next to the font. It's a sticker. So what you want to do from here is just go and find where it says link. And you can either copy a link or just type one in. I'm just going to type one in here. So once that is typed in, you can see a preview on it. So go ahead and see the preview, and that's what the site is. And all you want to do is hit done, or you can customize a sticker text. So we're just going to hit done. And this is what the link will look like on your story itself. So as you see, I have a picture, I have a link, and once I post a story, it will go ahead and post. So we can go ahead and hit share, and then we can go and see that story, and then you have the link, and that link will bring you to the link that you posted it on. And that's it. That's how you add a link on your Instagram story. Hope you guys